Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to view your slide deck in full screen versus not full screen, I guess. If you go to View and you click all the way at the bottom on full screen, notice what happens. It doesn't actually change it into slideshow mode. Basically what it does is that you no longer see the menus or any of the toolbars at the top. You really just have in your browser the slide deck. Film strip on the left, the current slide in the center, speaker notes. I don't really use this that often, but maybe you have a reason why you would. But that's how you can toggle between full screen and not full screen. If you are in full screen and you want to get out of full screen, just hit the escape key. And we're right back out of it. So that's how you can go between full screen and not full screen in Google Slides.